Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. As you may already know, I'm in Chiang Rai. Come up to pay last respects to Graham Brewer and Pai. And I couldn't come here to see what I've always wanted to come and see, is the White Temple. What an amazing place. Here, we'll show you. It's incredibly busy here. Already 9:30 AM. And this is an incredible place to come. You really must do. If you can get up here, come to the White Temple. It's 50 baht to get in. From here, the rest you can walk around it all the way, do what you want. To actually come into this bit, to go into the temple, is 50 baht. 50 baht well spent. If you're driving up, there is parking just around the back of it, another entrance in from the car park. But it is a beautiful area. Shame about the car. I wish they'd built slightly away from it more. But there you go. Sometimes progress really is a pain in the arse. But that is stunning. There's lots of parts around it, at the back, to the side. This is the main temple area. And I've had to do it from out here to get away from the people inside, to try and show you it better. Whether I've managed to do that, I really don't know. You can probably, all you can hear is my feet, sandals, walking on the gravel. Now, a bit of path now, that's better. Inside the temple, signs up everywhere. No photography, no cameras. So I'm sorry, I can't show inside the temple. I might try and get a sneaky little bit. I doubt it. We'll just go around and I'll come back in the entrance from the car park. Okay, this is the car park area. The entrance from the car park into the temple area. At the other end is the entrance to go in here. As I said, 50 baht entrance. Worth every baht. So many people here. That's why I started outside to come round it. It truly is a stunning area here. Absolutely beautiful. Plenty of opportunity. Cameras, shots, as you can see. I have done a lot of photos. I'll put some on. These are all little silver pendants hanging down along the tunnel area here. There are shops and coffee and food. I'm not sure about inside, but there are a lot outside around it, so you won't go hungry. Right, let's get into the front, pay the entrance fee, go in and show you around the front as you come in. Okay, when you come in here, they'll give you a plastic bag to put your shoes in for when you go into the temple. Carry them with you, and then you come into here. Probably where it gets a bit manic. Across the bridge and into the temple. It's like a one-way traffic. You go out at the back. So let's see what we can see around it. I doubt if I'll be able to show you inside. From when you walk through the entrance across the bridge, this is all around the entrance on both sides. The lost souls. Right, I'll go into the temple now. I'll see how we get on. It's doubtful, it really is. So we'll see what happens the other side. You cannot photograph or video inside. So we've come out the other side. It is small, a small walk through. Monk, Buddha. It's beautiful inside. So you'll have to come to see that. But a stunningly beautiful area to come to. Anyway, I'm going to finish it here. I do hope you've liked it. It's a beautiful place to come in Chiang Rai, and if you're in Chiang Rai, even Chiang Mai, make the journey. It's more than worth it. Anyway, I hope you liked it. If you have, please give it a like, share, thumbs up, whatever you want. Subscribe, why not? You don't have to, but totally up to you. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.